Guys, good morning. This is Arlene from the Philippines and I'm at home, and today we will be catching our chickens using the traditional way. It's using a series of strings, and in Filipino we call it labay. I don't know in other languages, so let's check it out. So those are the flowers in our garden, and this one, that is the string. So Kuya Sunny will drive the chickens in this direction, and so the chicken will get touched. Okay, so I will stay here back to see if he will be successful in catching the chickens. Okay, and yeah, but before I forget, thank you so much guys for continuously watching my channel and for subscribing, and for those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. So the reason we are catching our chickens, especially the roosters, is because they keep scratching our car, which is actually very bad. So we have to repaint it. So that's why we decided to really lessen the number of chickens, and soon we will get rid of all our chickens. Okay, Arvin, tulungan mo si Kuya Sunny. Para hindi siya makano. Kasi they need to catch the roosters because the roosters are the ones scratching our car. So it's a lot of waiting and preparing the rope. So now we're waiting. Hopefully in the next 3 minutes they will catch it. So our grass, as you can see, is still a little bit taller because the grass catterman will come next week. Kuya, ito na yun. Yan na. Huli. Oh my God. He's quite smart. He doesn't want to go. He's already there. Oh my! He's very smart. Guys, second round. Let's see if they will be able to catch the rooster. Yes, yes, yes. Now the rooster is catched. That's good. So that's how it works. So guys, we will try one more time to see if they will catch a hen, okay? Because the first one was a rooster and the second one was a rooster, but only the second rooster was catched because the first one was smarter, or is smarter. He was able to see the rope. So let's check, okay? I'm really excited about this. Yeah, okay, the rooster is coming again. Now he's going back. I can see it. Okay. Yep. Okay, that's a rooster. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Aha. Okay. That is good. So from there, we will tie the legs, and then we will put it in a sack with holes, and that way they will not die. Yeah. So thank you so much guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and have a nice day. Bye.